In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on camera flash on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app. After that, right over here at the top left corner, you can easily find that flash icon, and that's where we can turn on or off flash while taking a photo or recording a video. If icon on your device looks like that, it means that now flash mode on your camera turned to auto. So it will activate flash if it is necessary. If you are at a dark room, at a dark environment, it will automatically detect that and activate a camera while taking a photo if it is necessary in that particular situation. To turn off flash on your camera, you can just tap at that icon, and as you can see, it has been turned to a crossed out icon, which means that in that mode, flash on your camera wouldn't be activated. By tapping right here, we can switch camera mode from flash off to flash auto. If you would like to turn on camera flash, you need to tap right here at that arrow. That's where you can find that icon, and if we tap on that icon, we'll be able to manually turn on flash on your device, just like that. That will turn on the flash, that will highlight that icon with yellow, and it means that now flash will be activated each time you take a photo. And also, during all the time you're recording a video. On a video mode, we can turn on flash in the same way. As you can see, now flash on the back side of my camera turned on, and in this way we can record a video with a flash turned on. After that, after you have finished taking a photo or recording a video, you can just tap right here to switch it to turn it off, or you can just close your camera app, and next time you open it, flash on your camera will be turned to auto mode. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.